Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a space game. So it's actually very easy to make. There'll be you will be here, you will have to shoot the other person, like the villain. And then the villain will shoot you back. Let's get started. So for this I'm going to make my character the bat. So he'll be at the bottom. Since the size is too big for him to shoot, I'll just keep it 50 and I'll just leave it here. Okay, x0 y1. Yeah, this is the perfect position. And now even get one more sprite from the sprite library, and who will be the villain. For example, I'll choose the crab. For the crab, it's 100, but if I set it to 50, the game will be a bit easy because it's gonna be hard for the crab to shoot the bat. So just keep it 75. And then do the same coordinates you did to the bat, which is x0, y 140. Okay, or that works in 50, size 50, so it means just keep y 120. Okay, and now most important part is to set the backdrop to something that is like good. For example, I'll just type space and then one. Okay, so I'll choose stars. That's the best, and then I'll just set it a bit more than one. Okay, and now go to the bat and then green flag click. Go to these coordinates and forever block. Add a if then block. Go to sensing touching block. No, in key space block. Drag it another time, duplicate. In the first key space, click right arrow. In the second key space, click left arrow. So for the right arrow, you're gonna put change x by 10, and left arrows change x by -10. So that means when the game starts, if we hold the right arrow, it'll move this way, and when we don't, it'll stop. When we hold the left arrow, it'll move this way, but when we don't, it'll stop. I'll show you. Now look, right arrow, left arrow, stop, right, stop, left, stop. So it's like you can go anywhere you want to. So for the bat, right now the moving script is done. So let's go to the crab. When green flag clicked, forever block. But before that, put a go to 0110. And now put forever glide to x pick random. So what is the maximum for this crab? 186. How about we keep that 180? Yeah, sure. Okay, now pick random 180 to -180. So that's what. So right now it's minus. Okay, then keep this minus 180 to 180 because right now it's in -180. When you drag the crab to the other side of the screen, see it's really close to 180. So, but glide 1 second is not so much. So actually, if you move the bat, you're moving the bat like here. If you're moving the bat here, then the crab just it should actually follow the bat. It should not really like just go random, or it'll just stay here and the bat will stay here the entire time. So instead of glide, what you can do is glide 3 seconds to bat. If you want, you can change the timings also. Okay. Okay, I think I got it. It is like go to mouse X. No. Okay, so for this we're just gonna keep a glide and then let us just see what happens. Y140. Okay, for now let's just simply like see how this works. Let's pick random minus 180 to 180 and then okay, so I forgot one more detail. It's actually the bat also. This includes the bat also. It's like when you move like this, see it goes till the very edge of the screen. So which means we don't want that to happen. So just keep if on edge bounce. Just keep that for both. And now let's see how they do. Okay, for the bat it does work well, but for the crab it doesn't really. Oh, I got it. I understood why. So the reason is we put a glide block here. So until 3 seconds are over and then it finishes gliding, it won't bounce off the edge. So what we should do is just I don't know. I'll just put this and then just remove this, and then hopefully it should work. Okay, good. And then okay for this we'll just change it to I don't know point and direction 90. Okay, yeah. Now let's. Ooh. Then it. Okay, good. Yeah, this works. This works. You see, it's like trying to go up, but suddenly it just comes down. So actually, it's just like I told you. If I move here, it takes really low time, or it just doesn't come to you. Oh, that's what did I do? No, I did something. Okay, maybe it's okay. So, put how come it works here but it doesn't here? Oh yeah, it's because of the if on edge bounce. Okay, so for the crab, you can actually remove the if on edge bounce. And you remove the glide. You remove the glide thing, and then instead you just keep it like go to glide 1 second to. So when it starts from here, first it will just glide to here, uh, to whatever this is called. Okay, so yeah, minus 180 and y 140. No, I meant 110. Yeah, and now after you glide like this, just duplicate this block. Okay, so glide 1 second to 180 and then glide to 180 and then minus glide 2 seconds to minus 180. So but just keep like some 1 second or like some 0.5 second gap. So for now, okay, good. So for the crab, we did, but just add one more, just another timer here, 0.5 seconds, and then okay, and then for the bat also we have like got it. So choose another sprite. For example, I'll just choose okay, I'll just like choose a ball. Okay, so basketball, and then what you're gonna do is hide this sprite first. Okay, but for now just show it so that you can get the coordinates. We actually don't really need coordinates. So when green flag clicked, just all you put is hide, nothing else. And then for this bat to shoot the crab, actually going to have to put space key, but on the ball. So when the space key pressed, then go to then you have to where is it? Yeah, go to random position, but change that random position to bat. Then go to bat and then repeat until touching edge, or repeat until touching edge, or touching, you guessed it, touching crab. I mean crab. Okay, and then repeat until touching edge of crab. Then you just put change y by 10. So that means let's check. Okay, but I forgot one thing. But right after you do this, hide. Okay, so this. Oh, right. For the main part, just once you just show. Now let's check. Oh, okay. This does work. But one thing is you can't just shoot continuously. I'm just spam clicking spacebar, but it doesn't work that way. Okay, so this works. So the shooter works perfectly. Just go to the crab and then just put it as forever if touching if touching the what is that called? That's it. Basketball. Then create a variable and then make it HP. Or I'll just not just put it health. I'll just put it here, I guess. Okay, and then I'll just put it to a large data. But first, okay, yeah. So this is perfect. So this is perfect, and then set the set it to set health to 10, and then if catching basketball, change health by -1. Okay, so If you change it, and then also put a forever. If go go to operators. Oh, sorry for that sound. Okay, so grab an equal block and then if health is equal to 0, then stop game. I mean stop all. But it's not just that for now. Just for now, I just directly gonna stop all. But it's not like we should just aim for the crab. The crab should stop us. So just let him have an apple because why not? Okay, so if yeah, sure. Okay, the apple can be this big. Okay, but the apple for the apple we are going to need a clone. So when green flag clicked, okay, just put like some. Okay, let's put the same time limit like as the bat. So for the bat, it's like 1, 2. Okay, so after every 2 seconds, another ball keeps coming. So let's just keep it as pick random 1, 2, pick random 2, 2, 3. Okay, I'll just keep it 2. And now felt 0 or I'm mistaken. Yeah, stop. And then if bar, I mean if apple, so just wait 2 seconds. Forever wait 2 seconds and then create clone. But let's just keep it 3 seconds. Then create clone of myself. When I start as a clone, then when I start as a clone, just go to what's that? Yeah, go to crab and then repeat until touching. Okay, so you guessed it. It's again repeat until touching edge and it's no, it's not crab. It is the bat because the crab is gonna shoot. Then it should hurt the bat. So if touching the edge of bat, okay, I kept that and then change y by negative 10. And okay, now and then you just put delete this clone. So look. Okay, so okay, I put it like this, but we should actually hide the original apple. Now look. Um, okay, I think we just have to put the wait 30 seconds. Why am I going upside up, upside down? Okay, it's simply shooting. Hmm. Okay, for the app here. Oh, I think so. I have to put a show here. Like, does work now? Oh, okay. Oh no, oh no. Yes, a 9. Oh no, oh, and honestly, I haven't added my health bar, so This game is not yet. So, okay, I'll just try to increase this. Okay, yeah, it makes it more easier. So go to variables and then okay, health, bat, and then put it as a large readout, and then just put it like over here. Okay, put it as a large readout, and then set health, set health bat to 10, and then repeat until. Okay, so now also drag when I start as a clone, just get one more like this, but then just a forever block. If if I touch the bat, then minus and change health bat by -1. So okay, no, instead we have to make this game a little harder. So set health. So the bat's health will be 5. That's all. And then let's just create another backdrop. Okay, just want to be written you win. Okay, so I'm pretty sure all of you know how to do this. You just write like you win. And now, okay, so if we put a you win, we definitely must put a you lose. You lose, and then you lose. You win, you lose. Okay, so go to the code and then for the crab I've already put if health 0, the crab's health is 0, switch backdrop to you win and then just again duplicate, put it here, and then if health bat 0, switch backdrop to you lose, but most importantly you have to switch the backdrop to the space backdrop at the very starting. So now let's test the game. Okay, so it's shooting some efforts. Impossible to touch him. Yes. Okay, I hit him once. Yeah, I might do. He had 4. Okay, so this works. Okay guys, if you like the video then please subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. And I'll see you later. Bye.